In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct messages on Gmail. Have you ever needed to send a quick message to someone without composing a full email? Gmail has a handy chat feature built right in that allows you to send instant messages to your contacts. Let's walk through the steps to get you started on this convenient feature. First, you'll want to open Gmail on your computer. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find the chat section, among your usual list of folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. It's easy to overlook, but if you take a moment to locate it, you'll be one step closer to sending that direct message. Now click on Chat to expand the menu. Once you do, you'll see an option to start a new chat. Clicking on this option will open up a simple interface where you can type your message. It's similar to other chat applications you might have used in the past, so if you're familiar with those, you'll find Gmail's chat feature to be quite intuitive. The next step involves deciding who you want to message. In the To field that appears, type the name or email address of the person you're looking to contact. Gmail will often provide suggestions based on your contacts, which makes it quicker to find who you're looking for. Make sure that the person you're messaging is also a Gmail user with chat enabled. Otherwise, they won't receive your message instantly. With your contacts selected, you're ready to type your message. Just click into the message field, type your message, and when you're satisfied with what you've written, it's time to send it on its way. You can do this by clicking the Send icon, which looks like a little paper airplane located to the right of the message field. Clicking this button will deliver your message instantly, like magic. And there you have it. Sending direct messages via Gmail's chat feature is really that simple. This can be a real time saver if you need to have a quick conversation without switching out of your email environment. Remember, it's perfect for brief exchanges or when you need to ask a quick question without the formality of writing an email. By using these steps, you can enhance your productivity and streamline your communication efforts. The chat feature is a powerful tool that keeps you connected without the need for additional software or complicated setups. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident about using Gmail's direct messaging features. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.